This is Juan, and I'm out here to measure him for his mom. He's happy to be out here in the grass. Yes, he's super sweet. One of the shelter favorites for sure. He's undergoing his crate rest. He's been treated for heartworms, and he'll be leaving here soon to go to Washington. He's a beautiful boy. Yes, he is. Come on, buddy. Let's go. And we're out here to do our business before I leave. This is beautiful Lada boy Juan, and he's been adopted and be leaving for the West Coast soon.